This video will demonstrate how to reconnect your Google Drive resource app in Schoology if you've accidentally connected to the wrong email address. In Schoology, click on Resources, Apps, Google Drive Resource App. If you're correctly connected to your TCA Docs account, this page will display all of the documents in your TCA Docs Google Drive. If the list doesn't display or the wrong list is displayed, click on Options, Account Settings. This student is correctly connected, as you can see here, to her TCA Docs account. In this example, the list of documents is not correct. When I click on Options, Account Settings, the email displayed here is not a TCA Docs account. To fix this, click on Connect. You may automatically be connected to your TCA Docs account like it happened here, and then you'll see all the documents in your TCA Google Drive. If that's so, this is all you need to do. If you're not automatically connected, you may have to click on Options, Account Settings, and log in to your TCA Docs account.